Hey everyone, welcome to Aomori. We had 4 different train journeys to get us to this destination. When we arrived there was heavy snow. Aomori is known as one of the snowiest cities in the world. It's often forgotten as a destination in its own right, just used as a pass-through for travellers on their way to Hokkaido. It's known for its abundant nature, apple production and famous summer festival, Nebuta.
So when we arrived at Aomori station, it was really snow-logged and snowbound. So we had to sit on the platform until we got the train to the actual Aomori proper. Then we walked out and we saw the local police station. Obviously there's no crime there because the car is always bogged in snow. But Aomori is a very happy place, as you can see by the lights.
So where's the onsen, Malcolm?
Well, there wasn't any at the hotel, so we had to create our own. We were hungry. We had to go get food.
It was too snowy, so we decided on the cafe across the road.
What a surprise that was, a robot.
So cool. I want to get a picture. Oh, I better get out there. Well, what did we do in the snow?
Well, let's head off down to the Tourist Information Centre. That's also known as the ASPAM building, but watch out for cars when you're trying to find it.
So we trudged down through the snow. We passed the beach club on the way, and then we ended up at the A factory where they sold apple goods, souvenirs, that sort of thing.
They had a really good cafe in there too.
The beach club was closed to our surprise.
And it looked like the Maritime Museum, the big yellow ship, was closed too.
Well, what did we do?
Well, there was the Nebuta Museum. That's open.
And it was warm.
Well, look at that. The big red building. That's where the museum is. So let's go there.
The actual floats they have in the festival are in the museum.
So they're kept there so everybody else can enjoy from past years the creativity of the artists who made them.
They're really spectacular, actually.
There's also a souvenir shop in there where you can buy T-shirts and food.
They also do some dancing.
And we did the dancing, so we felt part of the festival.
皆さんも一緒に立っていただいてスタンドアップ OK サンキューありがとうございます1212っていきますよ
And then came dinner back at the robot cafe across the road. Yum! And I found my favourite dessert, pudding, soft serve and cornflakes.